Makeup artist Katie here. I'm soon to turn 50. What better time to share with you some skincare products that I really love and make a big difference. Dark circles and puffy eyes. Inside this formula is some key ingredients that really help puffy eyes and dark circles over time. The more I use this, the more rested my under eye looks. This has biopeptides, one of my all-time favorite ingredients for helping the skin build more collagen without the need of retinol. Niacinamide to soothe the skin and to make the eye skin look smoother, as well as squalene to help with crepiness, hyaluronic acid to help with hydration, and vitamin C to help brighten the skin, and caffeine. If you're someone that likes their coffee in the morning, believe me, your under eye likes caffeine too. Caffeine not only really helps the circulation under our eye, which in turn helps drain away puffiness, but it also restricts the tiny blood vessels under your eyes that give us the look of darkness. Use this consistently over the time, morning and night, you will see a difference. It's clinically proven. This is one of the best concealers in the world for the under eye. This is a concealer developed especially for the under eye. This helps smooth the look of crepiness, makes the skin look more youthful, plus it has very high coverage without looking heavy, which eliminates dark circles in 2 seconds. This is my hand with on, this is my hand without. This will give you back your glow. This looks instantly glowy, even. Imagine this on your face every morning. You'll find you'll need less foundation. Stunning vitamin C serum that, when used consistently over time, will not only brighten the look of the skin, but will also mean you can wear less foundation, because as it brightens, it perfects and it evens the skin tone. This will make such a difference to how your skin looks. This is a real must-have. If you're watching this thinking, I want smooth skin, I want glowy skin, I want my makeup to look better, I want my skincare to work harder for me, then you're going to want to use this every single day. Use this once you've cleansed your face before you put on any of your other skincare. Massage this in circular motions all over your face and over your neck. This is a very gentle exfoliator. It has truffle oil infused into it, which is fantastic at making the skin more bouncy, more plumper, and just a little bit more youthful. Within 7 days, you're gonna notice your skin is smoother, it's looking more hydrated, your skincare is working harder for you, and the reason that is because this, when used daily, helps slough off the dead skin scales and allows your baby fresh skin to come through and gleam. As we get older, our skin loses its pigment, our hair loses its pigment, and in turn, we can look a little bit washed out. So do what I do and choose to wear a really natural facial tan every day. This one always has my back. Take a little of your night cream, add a couple of drops in, mix it all together, and you've just made yourself the most transformative night cream you could ever wish for. Once this is applied to your face and your neck, overnight, you'll be giving yourself a little natural glowy makeover, because by the time you wake up, your skin is going to have a really beautiful, natural looking tan that isn't gonna look fake, but it's just gonna help you look glowier and more rested. This is skincare meets makeup. Look at the glow that this gives instantly. How stunning is this? If you want to cheat an instant glow, you're going to want to use this. I put everything in the links below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in another tutorial. Bye.